Pronoun in Spanish. Pronombres en español. Hola amigos, today in this video we are going to learn about pronoun in Spanish. Vamos a empezar. What is pronoun? A word that can replace a noun in a sentence. For example, Jose is a student. He is a nice boy. In this example, we can see that he replaced Jose, so that he is pronoun here. Pronouns in Spanish. Yo.
Yo soy un cantante.
Tú.
Tú eres lindo.
Usted.
¿Usted es profesor?
Él.
Él tiene frío.
Ella.
Ella va al supermercado.
Nosotros.
Nosotros estamos listos.
Always keep in mind, if there is one man or any masculine noun amongst in woman or many feminine nouns, then we always use masculine noun. For example,
Nosotros somos médicos.
ellos.
Ellos son amigos.
Ellas.
Ellas son amigas.
Ustedes.
Ustedes se aman.
Note, vosotros, vosotras in you all informal form and ustedes in you all formal form is used only in Spain. Please note, vosotros, vosotras is not used in Latin America. Ustedes in you all informal form and you all formal form is used in Latin America.
Please like the video and subscribe the channel.